Today we are going to solve this problem, NCERT 12th standard physics. So the question is, we have to find all the currents in this circuit. So this 12 volts and this 12 volts is all the four elements are connected in parallel. So here we have 12 volts, 12 volts. That means it is not 24 volts, it is 12 volts only. So between this point and this point 12 volts, this point and this point is 12 volts. So here we have 12 volts, here also we have 12 volts. So therefore we can find I5 and I4. Now what is I5? I5 is the current through 8 ohms. So the voltage is 12 divided by resistance is R. Okay. Now I want I4. So I4 is, the voltage is 12 volts, current voltage is 12 volts and the ohms is 56 ohms. So now we got these two, but we have I2 is equal to I4 plus I5, because I2 is the current entering this point junction is equal to current flowing away, that is I4, and I5 is leaving out of this junction. This is junction. Okay. So now we have to find out I2. What is I2? I2 is equal to I4. I4 we have 12 by 56 plus I5. I5 is 12 by 8. Okay. Now we will solve for this and find the value for I2. Divided by 56 plus 12 by 8. 12 divided by 56 plus 12 divided by 8. So that gives you 12 by 7. 7 amps, which is equal to 1.714 ampere. So the current here I2 in the here at this point is 1.714 ampere. Okay. Now if you watch carefully, both are same battery, 12 volts. Both are connected in parallel. Both have the same internal resistance. That means this current plus this current, both will have same value, equal value. So if you add these two, you should get I2. That means for this, the equation is I1 plus I3 is equal to I2. So I1 is entering here, I3 is also entering the junction. From the junction, I2 is going out. Therefore, sum of the current entering the junction is equal to sum of the current flowing away from the junction, which is I2 here. But I told you I1 and I3 are equal. So that means I can write I1 plus this as I1 is equal to I2. So this is 2I1 is equal to I2. I2 is what? 1.714 amperes. Therefore, I1 is equal to 1.714 divided by 2. It is 0.8, 1.714 divided by 2. It will give you 0.857 ampere. So this is I1. I told you I1 is equal to I3. So therefore the current here is 0.857 ampere, and the current here is, this is also 0.857 ampere. So when you add these two, you will get 1.714 ampere. So that's all about solving this problem. Hope you have understood this problem. You should keep in mind that all are connected in parallel, therefore voltage will be same. And one more important point, This is 12 volts, this is also 12 volts. It will not make 24 volts, it is only 12 volts only. So because the batteries are connected in parallel. Thanks for watching. Nandri.